Most of the time, the projects that makes the loudest noise really don't pay that much. But you see those ones that just pay low key without doing anything, without making any noise, they end up doing really well. And that is why a whole lot of persons have been feeding on this Bittoken project. And that is why I'm making this video. A lot of persons have been seeing this project but ignoring it because they feel it's not paying. Why for some persons they are yet to hear about it. So here on this video, I'll guide you through the whole process, step by step guide, how you can actually earn money for free using this platform without any form of investment. Now you should stay to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the step. Okay, so let's go straight into this tutorial video fully. So first of all, after clicking on the link I'll be giving to you, you'll be coming over to this website. All you just have to do is to come here, give a full name, give your Gmail account, leave the referral code the way it is, click on select country to choose your country, then solve the mathematics, the math problem. Okay, just solve it. For me it's 3 times 2, which is 6. Then just click on sign up. Make sure you're having a Telegram account. Okay, you can go to your Google Play Store to download the Telegram app and then you set it up. So once we come to this page, click on bots. Once you click on that bot, it will direct you to your Telegram application and you'll be having this type of notice. Okay, this is already an existing account, so all you just have to do is to click on start. You'll be seeing the start button at the bottom, so just click on that start. Then your information will come up like this, okay, such as your username, your chat ID will pop up. Now what you need is your chat ID. Okay, as you can see, this is my own chat ID, so you just have to copy your own chat ID, paste that chat ID here. Okay, once you click on it, as you can see, you can easily paste your chat ID, then solve the mathematical problem. Click on submit. Next, you'll be asked to log into your account. Come here, give your email, solve this captcha, and you click on login. An OTP code will be sent to your Telegram like this. Use the OTP code to complete your login verification. Always take note that every OTP will be sent to your Telegram, okay, not Gmail. So this is another free earning platform. Okay, all you just have to do is to come here and mine every 2 hours. Come here and activate your miner every 2 hours. Here is the booster. In case you want to boost or increase your mining duration to 12 hours, 5 hours, 24 hours, you can either do the paid version or the free version. The paid version requires USDT between $1 to $100. Then the free one requires you to watch ads up to 11 times here for you to do that. This is your team section. You can come here to get your referral link, come here to see your total team. Then for you to claim your team bonus, you can click here, or click here. Okay, these places you can easily claim your team bonuses. Make sure you come to this profile section, which is very important. To complete your profile, click on this edit profile section, fill up your information correctly. Okay, then upload a photo not more than 500 KB. You can easily compress your photo using a photo resizer app or photo resizing web page. Okay, go to your Chrome browser, just search for photo resizer, you will see it. Upload any of your photo, then you resize it to not more than 500 KB. Yeah, fill up these informations correctly, then update it. Make sure you do these tasks to accumulate more points for yourself. Take note that point conversion is done 15th of every month. Yeah, so coming to this wallet section, you get to see your deposit history, commission withdrawal, and so on and so forth. Yeah, once you come here to this provisional live conversion rates, this is the conversion. Yeah, as you can see, the current ROP point I'm having is 120, which is equivalent to 0.03 BTT. Take note that BTT is the token itself, is the name of the token itself. Yeah, and the listing price will be around $0.5. So how to withdraw? Very easy. Yeah, first of all, we need to complete our KYC. Click on this P2P section. You'll be asked to complete your premium KYC. Do a deposit of at least $1 is enough. $1 at least. So I will come here, type 1, then click on next. Just copy your wallet address here, then you send the money. Okay, the $1. I'll just do this ASAP. And make sure you're sending USDT under BEP20 network. Okay, after doing that, come back here, click on next. You'll be asked to submit your transaction hash and upload screenshots. Just do this. Now, to know your transaction hash, go straight to your wallets, the history to be precise, okay, the transaction you did, go there. Then you get to see something like this, transaction hash, just copy it. So my deposit of $1 has just reflected. The additional 2 cents showing there is coming from a commission, as you can see here, which I claimed 0.2. Yeah. I know you might be wondering how come am I having up to 1.5 immediately. Yes, it's just the bonus I claimed. Okay, for you to claim yours, click here. Okay, then you'll be able to claim your diamond level points, level 1, 2, 3. Currently I'm on level 4. Once it gets filled up, I'll be able to claim this one. For you to do the KYC, we'll come here, click on this P2P. Now you see they say pay $1 for KYC. Then I will say yes, proceed. Click on verify. So I'll be using passports. Then I'll be asked to take photo. Once your KYC has been completed, you get to see this thing completed like this. Okay, and should in case you try with international passports, it doesn't work, try something else, try your name or your driver's license. Now, should in case you want to stake your BTT, just come here, click on this stake BTT. Just click on where they say stake new. You can easily insert the amount you want to stake, the duration that you submit staking. That way your mined BTT will keep accumulating more for you. Okay, but should in case you want to withdraw, it's very simple. Come back to this column, go to P2P. You can equally decide to buy the token or sell, whichever one. But if you want to sell, see these sell quotes, just click on sell quotes. Once you come here, you get to see merchants who has available funds. Okay, you can actually sell your token to. All right, as you can see, if I want to sell mine, I can easily just come here and click on sell. Once I click on sell, you give the amount you want to sell, then you say sell BTT now. As you can see, it has been sold, okay, for USDT. This is $16 from this particular project. Click on withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is $10, but I have $16. So all I just have to do now is to come here, give the wallet address. So just go to your wallet, get your wallet address, come here and paste it. So click on where they say get code. A code will be sent to your Telegram. Okay, just go get that code and paste it here for confirmation. Then you click submit requests. Take note that 5% will be deducted as charge. So as you can see, it has been successful. So we'll just wait for it to get credited into our wallets. So as you can see, the money has finally dropped. Okay, this is the particular amount. This 15.4 after the charge has been deducted. Okay, so this is the money from the Bittoken update. This is how you join this project, how to mine their token for free. As for the KYC payment, it's $1. You can decide to mine until you get to the minimum $10 withdrawal. Then you do your KYC and you withdraw. Take note, withdrawal comes within 3 to 7 days. Okay, within 3 to 7 days your withdrawal will certainly get to your wallet. So make sure you participate on this project. It has been on air for months and it's really paying. So that's it about this video. If you have any question, feel free to drop it at the comment section, or feel free to also use the link at the description to join my WhatsApp group, because only there I share quick information concerning new updates like this that will actually fetch you money in this online space. So see you on the next video and bye for now.